Guys, just a quick video, no intro, maybe an outro, I don't know. This is Noah from at Noah's house. And if you guys have been watching the video, watching the channel, I planted a bunch of potatoes in grow bags. I harvested the big bag. I've got a good bit of potatoes. They're pretty small. I do believe, I'm trying to think, I'd have to go back and look at the video, put a card for that video here. I think I planted 10 or 12 potatoes in there. Check out what I got. Ooh, I got some mud on the camera. Check out what I got. So, I don't know, probably 2 dozen. Not the biggest. There's tiny, tiny, tiny ones. I'm sure there's more stuff gonna keep coming up in this bag because, you know, the teeny tiny ones that are on the roots that get stuck in there, I guarantee there's a couple in there. So I'll probably be getting potatoes growing in there for the next 5 years. But hey, I just wanted to show you the big bag that I harvested. Quick little video. Like, subscribe, share the videos around. Check out the gardening channel. Check out the playlists from the last couple years. And check out some pipe smoking. Well, this is Noah in the garden. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.